Let's make some easy, stress-free art. Basically, let's make some backgrounds for future embellishments such as this Capricorn zodiac sign, or basically anything you want to put on top. Let's go ahead and create some galaxy backgrounds using watercolors. I'm going to be doing two different galaxy paintings in this video. The first one, I'm going to be using some affordable watercolor paints that you can find on Amazon, as well as a Dollar Tree canvas. The second one, I'm going to use actual watercolor paper, but the cheaper stuff, the 110 pound, not anything too expensive, and just to show you two different looks using the same techniques. Now, this is Gliza, made with Glee, and this is just a simple, easy, there is no absolutely right or wrong way to do this. You guys do not be afraid to pick up a brush and some paint. Don't let anyone tell you you're doing it wrong. There is no wrong way. Yes, there are right ways of doing certain things. There are techniques that you can follow if you want to achieve someone else's look that they have mastered, but there is no right and wrong way. You do what you want, and when you like it, it's art. That's all it is. So guys, in this video, like I said, I'm just going to be painting with some watercolors. There's no techniques. I am just loading onto this Dollar Tree canvas. Lots of different colors. And I just wanted to show you with the Dollar Tree canvas that it's not porous watercolor paper. So the colors kind of lay on top, so you have lots of time to work with this and do different things and make it, you know, anyhow you want. And I just happen to like doing these galaxy backgrounds for embellishments. This is really for zodiac symbols and signs. That's why I'm doing these particular items. You're going to see that I'm going to be adding a Capricorn decal onto this particular piece when I'm done. But for the other one, I was actually thinking of doing a Star Wars, some words on there, but that will be a gift for someone, and I am not going to show you the finished product as of yet. Now, again, really simple, really easy. You just layer the colors that you like, the things that you think go well. How does your galaxy look? What part of the galaxy are you looking at? What part of the universe? There are so many colors in our universe. There's yellows and purples and blues and greens, and you see all these nebulas and different things out there that are just beyond your wildest imagination. So there, like I said, there's no right or wrong way. Some people like lots of bright colors in their universe, in their galaxies. Others like it to be more dark, lots of blacks and just hints of color. It's completely up to you how you want to layer this. I just played with this. Like I said, I was trying to see how a different technique of doing watercolors on these Dollar Tree canvas. I've done the wet paint on a dry canvas, and that works fairly well when it comes to watercolor on these dollar store canvases. But for doing a wet on wet technique, it is definitely not watercolor paper, and it's really not very friendly if you're looking for something with a lot of control. But with a galaxy and something organic like this, you really don't need a lot of control. Let the paints play, let the water flow. It's completely up to you. Again, this is like more of a stress relief type project, and you're not trying to recreate something that's exact in nature. So just have fun with it. Add colors where you'd like, take it off, put it back on, make it bleed. There's a technique, they say it's called cauliflowering, when they over the paints bleed and kind of flower onto each other. Let that happen. There's no right or wrong way for painting a galaxy. Just have fun with it. So I'm just going to be doing that for the rest of this video. There's, again, no explanation. Just add various shades of color, and then we're going to go back when we achieved what we like. We're going to add in some stars with some white paint, and there's different techniques, and I've shown you how to create that splatter look before. Now, while I'm painting this, I do want to mention to you guys about the universe in general. Last year, there were some amazing discoveries in science when it comes to our universe. We got the first picture of a black hole, or image, I should say, which is pretty amazing to me. I know it doesn't look very impressive, but and it's hard to imagine, but when you think about it, we actually have an image of what a black hole looks like. That blows my mind. That is just absolutely crazy that we actually have our first image of a black hole, and that came out in 2019. And I think we're going to be learning a lot more about black holes in the near future as science progresses, and they continue to do these studies. But I just thought that was absolutely amazing that we have our first image of a black hole in 2019. And there also, in 2019, I read a lot, and there were quite a few articles that basically, well, not articles, there was one article I read that quoted a few studies that basically everything in the universe is connected. What? Yep. Yes, you heard it. Everything in the universe is connected. Galaxies are connected. There's like the universal web. It's connected. It's just like life in general. I do believe that we are all connected. We are, we are connected, and so is the universe, and we're seeing proof of that with science. So I think that was also pretty fascinating in 2019. Now, if you're wondering where does this girl pick up some of these random things from, besides reading a lot, I also watch a really great YouTuber, Anton Petrov. He does videos, astronomy, astrophysics, that kind of stuff, just very interesting things, and I like to watch his videos. I pick up a lot, and I enjoy his videos, so I am going to recommend Anton if you are interested in learning more about our universe and science in general. So really simple again, backdrop painting to add some sparkles. I add our stars, which are the sparkles, using some white splatter, and you can decide if you want, a cluster, a heavy cluster, big stars, little stars, nebulas in the background, whatever you wish. Now for my second painting, I am doing the same wet and wet technique as I did on the canvas. However, for this one, I'm using actual watercolor paper. This is the cheaper type watercolor paper that you can find in any craft store, Michael's, like you get it in your you can buy a whole sketch pad full of this watercolor type paper. So this is not the expensive stuff. This is the cheaper, beginner-friendly type paper. And here I'm just doing the same technique, but as you can see the difference right away, the paints just, the paper absorbs the water a lot better than it did on the canvas. And again, this is just simply playing. There is no right and wrong. You can layer. You don't like it, too much pink in your universe, change it. Add some darkness. You don't like it dark, keep it light. Completely up to you how you want to paint your universe. But it is fun to do. It's very, very relaxing. And I just want to encourage you all just to pick up a paintbrush and paint. It doesn't have to be expensive and commit. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Just a simple dollar store canvas. You can use cheap watercolor paper, fairly inexpensive watercolor paints. I will be linking the kit that I'm using. It's in the medium price range from Amazon, but it's pretty great. You have lots of colors, and I actually love this particular kit. So this is what I'm going to continue to do, is paint my little galaxy. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them for me. But I just want to encourage you to try painting, try watercolors, try acrylics, try oil, whatever it is that you feel like doing, do it. And there is no right or wrong way. You will develop your own style. You will, you have to master it. You have to practice. You have to play. See what you like, what you don't like. Again, there is no right or wrong way. If you don't like something, you just don't like it. put it to the side and start anew. So that's it for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoy watching me create my 2 galaxy backgrounds. Again, this is really easy and fun to do, and I definitely recommend it if you want to add some words or creative phrases or zodiac signs or symbols of your choice. You can certainly do that and create beautiful pieces of art. And again, try things like sponges and there's so many different methods. Again, I'm just simply playing with this to create this, and I just wanted to share with you. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in another video soon. Again, any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye.